Burning off the garden, part of homesteading. Found some fish today, burning off the garden for canning. It's gonna be a pretty big garden this year. We got all this out here we're gonna burn. We found some plum trees over here, so it's gonna look really nice once we get it done. Somebody's racing out on the highway, you can hear them. But hopefully this right here is gonna get us a good start, because the government's cutting us back so much right now. So we're gonna grow our own. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Alright guys, I'm in the house now. It's pouring down rain. Thought I might get a chance to get you some lightning. Trees ain't even moving out here. It's crazy. It's just totally quiet. It's just like a peaceful little rain. Lightning's pretty much quit. Turn on the light here. Let me show y'all. Pretty good little rain. Just a quiet little rain. Not bad. Maybe be some good sleeping weather, because it's sure not going to lightning. We'll definitely will get you some better footage than this. But sure good for the gardens out here. Doesn't take much to get our little creeks rolling out here for sure. There's a really good one there. But as you can see, we're fixing to get a pretty good little storm, so looks like good sleeping weather here in Oklahoma. Hope y'all are staying safe from the COVID. It'll all pass. God will wash it all away. We'll all be back to normal before soon and doing our thing. Y'all stay safe, and thanks for watching. God bless. If you don't mind, support my channel. I'll try to get better videos out, some catfishing, some weather videos. I do what I can. Try to kind of share our part of the world with everybody and let everybody know that, hey, we're still here, we're still making it. But thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this short little, pretty much piece of me talking, mostly without really any lightning or anything. But hey, we do our best, right? Thanks for watching, guys. Rain is here. A little bit of lightning. Thunder. Oh! What? Yeah, that scared me. That was close right there. That'll make the hair on your ass stand up. Woo! That's crazy right there. I like it. Scared the shit out of me. Yeah, we're getting some lightning. I don't like that. Do not like the lightning. Boy, there's thundering everywhere. And radar, this ain't even a big storm. It's a little storm. That lightning can sure be wicked. Oh, there's some. Yeah! Alright, guys, I want to end it on that. I don't like standing in this door with that lightning. Whew. But thanks for watching.